we have a look at another product from Creative Market, the Personalized Portrait Creator. And if you ask yourself now, what is that on earth? Yeah, well, it's something really cool. A really cool thing you can use in Photoshop to create your own figures. You don't need to be a drawer or a painter or an illustrator professional. You just need these files, and then you can put together your own figures and make something from them. You can create posters, you can create bags, you can create handy covers, you can, your imagination is the limit. So let me show you what's included. I will turn the iPad around to give you a better idea what's inside. So here you go. Let me make it a bit bigger for you. Oops. So here you go. There are files in this pack, and you can basically turn your layers on and off. And then you have a female person with underwear, of course, and then you can just put on a dress or a skirt or a blouse or a pullover or whatever you can think of. You can give her different hairstyles and put on different accessoires. You can put her on some shoes or not if you want to. You can add a balloon or, nothing. Whatever you prefer, you can do it with this portrait creator. So here you have a completely different person, and of course you have got female and male people, and it gets even better because this product is expanding. It has also a lot of beautiful patterns. So look at these patterns, and what you can do is you can create your own your own things the people wear, because you can just clip in these patterns and then create something new for that. So you can create your totally unique people, because you don't have to use these patterns. You can use your own if you have some, no problem. So you can just use the people and then clip in the different patterns and create something yourself. So now let me give you an example what you can do. So see what is also included: dogs and cats and even horses and babies. Whatever you need, it's already included here. So let me show you that. Here is what you can do. You can create some quotes and or you can create some papers for your presents. Your imagination is the limit. It's really, everything is possible. You can create a family photos just of these characters, because they also have different skin tones. So if you have dark skin or bright skin, doesn't matter. They are all included. Okay, let me move on. You see how many different dogs there are. You will find yours, don't you? And kitties. More dogs here. Let me get to the cats a little bit later. So here they created a mug, really beautiful mug, don't you think? So you can create that also with a portrait creator. You can put together your own dog, maybe one which looks similar than yours, and then you put together a mug. Why not? Okay, let's go on. Here you see some more examples. So here are the different patterns, and see what else is included here. You can create a notebook or here, whatever, coffee mug or whatever you can think of. Just create with all the things included in this beautiful pack. Yeah, basically that's it. And that's a lot, because you can do a lot of different things with this personalized portrait creator. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the patterns to create a really unique person, a unique figure of, maybe he or she looks like you, and then you create something unique for your family. So now I have opened Photoshop as well as the Portrait Creator folder, and this is a large one. It has over 2 GB of data, so it took a while to download it, but it's well worth it. So let me show you what's included. So first of all, there is an instruction. file which really explains in detail what you will see in this video as well. Maybe she goes into more detail, so have a look definitely here at her PDF. But when you watch the video, you will be able to create something yourself. But it's really detailed. I like that. So next thing is, here are some extras. Here are pads, and here's a portrait creator. So let me go to the extras first. So if you want angel wings and bonus graphics and floral elements, as well as the patterns we have talked about already. So I go just in one of those folders and open them. So you see, this could be a pattern of your skirt or something. Yeah, and then you can use it for whatever you want. Even if you want to create a background or something, it's nice to use it for that. So you see a large floral print or geometric patterns, fun patterns. There are so many different patterns included. I'm pretty sure you will find something. So, okay, let me go to the other folder and go to the pet folder, or yeah, you see there are so many folders, to the pets folder to have a look there. And as I told you already, there are cats, dogs, horses, and even all those files in larger resolution. So let's start with the cats. And I click here so you get an overview, and you see all these cute little kitties you can use to create something unique. Just to give you an idea, here are the kitties. Really cute, aren't they? So okay, let's move back. Cats, horses, dogs, as they're all pretty nice. So okay, larger resolution, that means that you can use them if you want to print something. There, the cat, when I open it now, it is much larger, so that's perfect if you want to print something for a t-shirt or something like that. Okay, let's go back. Now we get into the portrait creator. And then I open the PSD file which is included. Now you have to choose between baby or boy, girls, grandparents. I will just go to the girls now. And then again, small girl, 2 to 5 years, 6 years, or 9 to 13 years. Okay, I have opened the PSD file. You see girl 9 to 13 years, all skin types, and now I can start to change whatever I want. So let's go through the folders. Here says girl. I can now choose different skin if I want to. I just need to turn that one off and the next one on. So let me turn that on. And you see it gets brighter. If I would choose to turn that on, you won't see it because that folder lies over it. So I would need to turn that off. So you see from dark to brighter girl. So whatever you look like, that's perfect. And here I can choose different eyes, eyebrows if I want to, no eyebrows, you see. And now I can choose color, open eyes, and the color I want. So let me turn that off, and you see she has brown eyes, darker eyes, and really dark black eyes. So when I open the folder, I can also get the reflection out and in if I want to. And yeah, the same is with the hair. I just want to give you an overview what you can do with these files. I mean, it looks really basic. It's a PSD file with tons of folders inside, and you can so easily create your own whatever and just turn on and off or whatever you want. So sometimes it might look a little bit strange with beads and threads, but you know, just turn it on and see she has a new hairstyle. And I might want to have some hair first. You know, you really need to figure what's looking good for you or what fits. So you see, I just turn that off or that off. You need to turn the different hairstyles off, because otherwise you yeah, it's merged together, everything here. So let me turn that off. That looks like a cute girl. So let's open that. And even here I can turn off the hair bands, or here if I want it blonde or brown, brunette, and or darker. If she should be darker, that's also pretty easy. Or here another color. Yeah, so you can put together your very own person here, whatever you want. So now let's add some different trousers and t-shirt. So for now it has a t-shirt. She has a t-shirt on, and if I want something else, I would just have to turn it on and off. Now I need to get rid of the jacket first, otherwise we won't see it. And then you see here it turns on and off, whatever. Let's first get rid of that. And now she just wears a t-shirt. Yeah, I could go on like that now forever, but I guess that's not what you want to see. You want me to use the patterns, I guess. So let's open the folder again and see what patterns we have. We just need to make sure, no, that's the wrong folder. And in the extras, we had these patterns. Okay, let's use some geometric patterns. And maybe, you know, not sure what. We have the blue trousers now, the jeans, so I just use a pink one. So now I need to get that into the other file. And what I need to find now is the t-shirt she wears. So let's go here, click on the t-shirt. If that doesn't work, don't forget to click here on auto select, otherwise you most probably don't see what is in there, what's the right layer you need to work on. Okay, so now when I drag and drop that into, it's most probably much too big, but let's do that anyway. Okay, and now I just clip it. I press the Option key and then just clip it, and you see she wears another t-shirt. So that's easy, right? So now you can really put together whatever you want and what you like. So, and see what you need here. Embellishments, do you want them or not? Just turn them on and off. So pretty easy. Yeah, totally up to you. So we have a cute little girl. What you need to look at now is, let me close that first. I would change now the shoes as well, but you know, for now that's enough. What we can do now is we turn off the texture here, just because I want to export her as a PNG file. Because if I do that, I can put her wherever I want to. If I want to put her on a mug, or if I want to put her on a t-shirt, whatever, I can just use that file. And if I have this texture under it, it would always have that gray background. So, and I really don't want it everywhere. Okay, so let's turn that off. And then you just go here on File and click Save As. I just show you now how that works. And we put it on the desktop. And then you choose not Photoshop as a file, because then you have the large file once again. You choose the PNG file. And then click Save. And then it is on your desktop. Let's go there. And check if it is actually there. You see, here you go. Here's a little girl. Yeah, basically that's it. She's there, and now you can use the file. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please give us a thumb up and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the little bell, because then you are notified whenever we post a new video. And if you need any information about the reviewed product, please look at the info box, because there are all links which you may need and the information which might be interesting for you. See you in the next video.